Welcome to episode 3 of Eat With Me. Today I'll be cooking omelette with fried rice. The ingredients are rice, ketchup, onions, chicken breast, butter, egg, milk, salt and pepper. First, I dice the chicken so that it's easier to eat. Butter the diced chicken and onion and heat them in the pan. Next, flavor them with ketchup. When they start looking not too watery, stir them with rice. Put the rice aside and let's make an omelette next. Then, instead of cheese, tomato, or mushroom, we put the rice inside. Wrap the rice with the omelette